Want to unlock discounts and save money on your next Klarna purchase? In this video, I'll show you the best ways to find active Klarna promo codes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna promo codes can give you instant discounts or waived fees, but they can be tricky to find. I'll reveal the most reliable sources. First, check the Klarna app itself. Go to the Explore or Shopping tab and look for banners or sections labeled Offers or Deals. Klarna often partners with specific brands for exclusive discounts. Next, sign up for Klarna's marketing emails. They often send promo codes directly to subscribers for events like holidays or to re-engage users. Finally, follow Klarna and your favorite brands on social media. They sometimes run limited-time promo code giveaways on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. A crucial pro tip: be wary of third-party Klarna code websites. Many are outdated or scams. The most reliable codes come directly from Klarna or its official brand partners. Always try a code at checkout to see if it's valid. And just like that, you're on your way to scoring exclusive discounts. Finding a Klarna promo code is like a treasure hunt that pays off at checkout. What's the best discount you've ever gotten with a promo code? Share your win in the comments below. To use your code, subscribe for our next video on how to apply a Klarna discount voucher. Thanks for watching.